Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can track business spending in Brex. So let's get started. If you want to manage and monitor your business expenses efficiently, Brex provides built-in tools that make tracking spending very easy. First, log into your Brex dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Expenses or Transactions section. This is where you can see all your business spending in one place, including card payments, transfers, and subscriptions. Here, you can filter transactions by date, category, or employee. This helps you quickly understand where your money is going and identify any unusual activity. Next, you can assign categories to each transaction, such as marketing, software, travel, or office expenses. This makes your records more organized and helps during accounting and tax reporting. Brex also allows you to upload receipts and attach them to transactions. This is useful for keeping proper documentation and staying compliant with business expense policies. Another powerful feature is setting budgets and spend limits. You can create budgets for different teams or categories and track how much has been used in real time. You can also generate reports from the reporting section. These reports give you insights into your spending patterns, helping you make better financial decisions for your business. Finally, if you're working with an accountant, you can integrate Brex with accounting software to automatically sync your transactions. And that's it. That's how you can track business spending in Brex effectively. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.